In this particular problem, a small particle slides on a track with elevated ends. There are two elevated ends and a flat central part. The flat part has length 3 meter. The curved portions of the track are frictionless, but the flat part has coefficient of friction 0.2. This flat part has coefficient of friction 0.2. Now the particle is released at a point A, which is at a height 1.5 meter above. So this height is 1.5 meter above the flat portion. Now the position where the particle will finally come to rest, that has to be found. So when the particle is released from a height 1.5 meter, the work done by gravity gives some kinetic energy to it. When it moves on flat portion on the surface having friction, it loses part of its kinetic energy, and ultimately when it stops, its kinetic energy is zero. That means work done by gravity plus work done by friction is equal to change in kinetic energy, that is zero. Work done by gravity is mgh. Let the particle travels a distance x on the flat portion, so work done by friction is mu mg into x. So here from we can write x is equal to h by mu, that is equal to 1.5 by 0.2, that is equal to 7.5 meter. So the particle travels a distance of 7.5 meter on the flat portion. It means it goes by 3 meter, returns by 3 meter, and again goes by 1.5 meter, such that a total distance traveled in the part having friction is 7.5 meter. And as it can be seen that this 1.5 meter is the middle portion of the flat region, middle point of the flat region. So the correct answer is C, that is the particle will stop at midpoint of the flat portion.